There it is. It is Berserkaru. We're being a little quiet because it's early in the morning. I think it's 2 a.m. thereabouts. Haven't actually looked for a while. It was 11 when I was hammering my front crankshaft main timing gear on. And that was a while back. So, Troopy, the toad. The toad is getting somewhere today. We made a bit of progress. It is the first day of the rest of my life. First day of a couple of weeks off of work due to Christmas. So hooked into the Troop. Troopy is mad. Did all around the windscreen with the grit blast. And there is now no rust. And then got it with the cold gal. So I'm in two minds. I say two minds, meaning I would like to, but I don't know if I could be bothered. You can see where I did the patch right here. In a certain light, there you go. And which is good, because that's all metal. And normally what you do is you get some bog, car bog or whatever, fiberglass, and put that on there and then sand it smooth, but like it'll half be under the seal, sort of. Not terribly worried. Going to pop some, what are they called, these riv nuts. Got some stainless steel riv nuts in the daytime. They don't quite fit in them holes. Them holes were drilled for little plastic grommet type of things with screws. I'm going to put bolts. I'm a fitter, I like bolts. Speaking of bolts, the old 2H, the 2HZ, no shit, the barrow of diesels. Finally looking clean. Speaking of bolts, we have all new studs down the exhaust side there. You can look in the hole. This is where the magic happens. So this is where we're going to put the turbo, which is why I haven't done these plates here yet, because one of them will likely have the drain bung for the turbo oil. I'm just going to wait until I build the manifold to see where the turbo is going to sit, sort of there, and whether it drains into those or drain it into the sump. And timing pulley, so we're just about to put the water pump on, obviously. Water pump's there. There it is. And the timing stuff is good. It's under this cover. I'm not gluing this cover on just yet because in the daylight I'm going to weld the key, the Woodruff key, into the crankshaft. But we ran out of welding gas, so the gas is there ready to go in the morning. Get more gas. Hopefully they're open. Here is injector lines. Got 3 of them here. We've got 3 of them over on the other bin. Giving them a coat of paint. Black gal this time for the injector pump. Injector pump is clean. So now I just got to get the pipes, fuel pipe from this here pump up to this here filter and back into this here intake. Got to get some hoses from here to up here. I'm not too sure what those do, tell the truth, but you hook them up. This here is the, I guess, the throttle or something. It's the fuel, and that there is the fuel screw. You wind that sucker up if you would like some soot. And side plate, probably going to try to get another side plate if you got one. Gimme. Injectors, we have near new injectors. All 6 of those are 3,000 kilometers old. I bought off some dude. That's what he tells you. And then the water pipe that screws in there, I'm going to change that up. Throttle's good. Phone's at 5%. Went and bought some tyres today. So we'll put them on wheels on Tuesday when they arrive, apparently. And everything is good. So there's the Troop. I just wanted to paint the firewall so I can put the wiring in so I can run the engine. It's all a mission, but I guess it depends on that. So now the heater box will go in. get the welding gas, weld the floor back together. But yeah, Trooper's sick. Troopy is sick. Alright, cheers. Tuning in. See yous when we're looking at yous. Shout out to Berserkaru. If you see us around, say g'day. Bye bye.